welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I get started, click the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, and give this YouTube video a big thumbs up. I don't want to see a big thumbs up. I want to be a huge thumbs up. And I needed to be talking to you about something. So, you know, I just got a new iPad and stuff. I didn't tell you that, but I just got a new iPad. I've been doing a lot of my editing for my YouTube video there. Well, if you guys want to do a YouTube video and be on YouTube like me, guys, today I might be doing a separate tutorial to show you guys. So, we might be giving out, being a giveaway, a iPad giveaway. He might, but I can't find the iPad. Weird. Or maybe I can't. It's right somewhere in my house, but I'm not gonna show you guys because you gotta win it. Only I need to see you liking and subscribing, and you need to put some views. Oh, and when you're done liking and subscribing, down below in the comments down below, put like, because everybody needs to like. Because do you like my videos? I need to know if you like my videos. If you don't like my videos, it's okay. You can put a dislike, but then I'll make another video that maybe you'll like. Maybe I might be going to a pool. Maybe you want last to leave the pool. Maybe you want last to leave the pool with my friend Cameron. I'll invite my friends over and they might like it. Okay, let's go back to the tutorial. So first you could have if you have an iPad, Android, anything, you could work on anything, but it's very hard to find it on iPad because sometimes you need to pay $4.99 for them. But if you have an Android, it's so easy. I'm filming on an Android right now, the newest Android, and it's crazy because it doesn't really work on iPad, but it works on Android or iPhone. So it works on Android because it calls FotoPlay. FotoPlay completely free. Shout out to FotoPlay. Shout out. FotoPlay is awesome. It's completely free. No hard thing. All you need to do is download the game, press continue, just see a video that you really like, take a video on your regular camera, and then you go in FotoPlay and just post it there. So first you go to FotoPlay and then you press new, and then you press videos or pictures. I press videos, and then I just put the videos, and you can add songs, filters, anything, backgrounds, anything. That's why if you saw my other one, you saw let's go. Yeah, so that's it. Well, I just needed to show you something. You know how I love painting and stuff? Well, I just painted another thing yesterday, I think. Dun da da da! Ice cream! So I hope you like that video. I hope you like this video today. It was a short video today. It's not that long and stuff. But I feel today, you should see my new shoes. I just got new shoes. It's lit. It's very, look at my shoes. It's lit. It's lit. When I say lit, I mean lit. Fit. Oh yeah, shout out to Nike too.
Shut up.
Oh, my brother. Oh, you're so funny. Well, shout out. Just shout out to
breaking it.
Everybody should be able to get a nice shoe. Everybody has nice flip-flop. Oh, so I have a nice shoe too. So please say you like them, please. So I hope you like this video. Bye-bye. Yeah. Oh yeah.